Oh, I'm so glad you're here to draw with me. Today I have a globe for you. Look at that big circle to be our Earth, and then we have it held up by this little brace, and then it's on a stand. But notice how it's tipped to the side because that's where it's gonna spin if you want it to. Okay, ready? We're gonna start drawing. We need to draw our big circle first, but you know what? I'm gonna use, whenever I have to have a really good circle, I use something to kind of give myself an outline. So I'm gonna do this in Sharpie right away because I know I want it like this for sure. So there we go, gonna get my circle on. Okay, now I'm gonna get rid of that, but I'm gonna go back to pencil because I need to do some planning lines. So for my brace, where I've got it on an angle, I'm going to kind of give myself a guideline right through the middle. And at the top, I'm going to have this little brace, kind of a post that comes out of it. And then at the bottom, I have a little post that comes out of it. And then I'm going to connect it. It's kind of like a big letter C. You have to follow the curve that you made for your globe. And you want to get it as parallel as you can. So you kind of got to be slow and careful with this. There. And now I need a second line around. So I'm going to do it again. You know what? Once in a while I'm going to give myself a little guideline because it's hard to make those curves. So I'm going to give myself a few planning lines. Okay, ready? Go back up here. I kind of estimated how wide I need it to be. I can always refine this once I get it done, but there we go. Okay, I did pretty good there. This I'm gonna make this guy a little taller because he looks not wide enough. Okay, there's my main line, a little fat there. But now I'm going to bring down, we've got to sit on something. So now we have a stand. I'm going to come, now I'm going to go like this. I'm going straight now. So I have a stand, so just two straight lines coming down. And then I'm going to go off to this side, and the same way off to this side. And I'm going to close up the bottom. And I've got a little extra ring around it. I'm really going to adjust this before I Sharpie. I'm a little crooked. So I'm going to take out my guidelines. We do not want that to be in our finished drawing. Okay. And now you're going to put in land masses because you're going to show the continents. Now I live in North America, but I'm not going to show any favorites. I'm just going to kind of do some abstract land mass here, kind of up from the bottom because our globe we're seeing the continents and we're seeing the water. So up from the bottom. Okay, so we have our globe all planned out, and now I'm going to put some Sharpie on it. Ready? Now I'm going to erase my pencil lines. And dust off my paper. And we have our globe. Now, let's add some color. Ready? Ta-da! Remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel. We've got so many more videos for you.